PAC-3, the Patriot Advanced Capability 3, is the U.S. Army's frontline hit-to-kill interceptor that stops ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and enemy aircraft dead in their tracks. Using millimeter-wave radar guidance, the advanced MSE variant smashes targets at hypersonic speeds with pure kinetic energy. No explosives needed. Production is now tripling to deliver thousands more missiles, while new 360-degree radars give it total battlefield coverage. Battle-proven in multiple conflicts and protecting troops and allies around the globe, PAC-3 is the ultimate last-line defense when the sky turns hostile. Vet Miltech, daily from the drop zone.